trial.
We are waiting for Honorable Chairman AICT to join. He is expected to join in next couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
So thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Dheeraj, sir?
Yes, good morning, Abhay.
So, so you can switch on your camera if you are available, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So let's start.
Namaskar. Good morning. Dr. T.G. Sitaram, Honorable Chairman AICTE, Mr. Dheeraj Sahu, Additional Secretary, Department of School Education and Literacy, Dr. Abhay Jere, Honorable Vice Chairman and Chief Innovation Officer, Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, all my colleagues here, all the state project directors who are present there at the nodal centers, leadership at the nodal centers, and all the participants who are district education officers here. Very good morning to all of you. And I welcome you all for this 2 days capacity building program focused on innovation, design thinking, and entrepreneurship. This is a first of its kind, very unique program designed for district education officers and our education torch bearers who are going to guide our schools in each districts of the country for taking the innovation agenda ahead. With this, taking this forward, I request Dr. Abhay Jere, Honorable Vice Chairman, to address the gathering, please.
Thank you, Yogesh ji. First, welcome to all of you. Namaskar. As you are aware that we are organizing this IDE, Innovation, Design and Entrepreneurship Bootcamp across 26 locations for government officials, district officials. This is first of its kind initiative which we are working with district officials. The entire genesis of this IDE Bootcamp actually evolved out of Honorable Prime Minister's suggestion during 2000 interaction in 2000 to 2020 while we were interacting with him for Smart India Hackathon. During that interaction, Honorable Prime Minister suggested that there are a lot of good ideas coming from our institutions. However, the emphasis on design, ergonomics, product engineering, and all these things is minimal. As a result of which, many times, these products are not very competitive in market, and many of these products end up failing in market. If you have to really sustain the international onslaught and actually go ahead and capture the international market, then we need to ensure that not just the idea, but the presentation of that idea is also very good. So we started with these boot camps in higher educational institutions. And during one of the review meeting of these IDE boot camps, Honorable Minister for Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan actually went ahead and suggested that we should not confine ourselves to schools, but to higher educational institutions, but we should actually go ahead and extend it to our schools. So last year, with support of the Department of School Education and Literacy, we organized large number of workshops. Around 48 workshops were organized. and more than 9,000 students and teachers actually participated in those workshops because we wanted to instill the idea of design. We wanted to instill the idea of design thinking, problem solving, how to actually conceptualize a solution for a product within our school students. And during that interaction, when we were interacting with some of the district officials, it was felt that they are also very keen on learning about these things. Because at the end of the day, you are the real torch bearers, you are the change agents for us, which help take our ideas and concepts forward and implement it on ground. So we felt that we will organize a special boot camp, and this boot camp is now been organized across 26 different locations in 3 phases. I think all the locations have joined today because this is a central inaugural. But from today, we will have it at 7 locations and then subsequently at 11 locations and then 8 locations. And that has been actually went ahead. We have gone ahead and announced. But the inaugural will have all the 26 locations actually joining today. So we request all of you to actually look at all these topics, many of these topics are going to be very, very new for you. Okay? So look at these topics, understand these areas, these new thought processes. And once you have done, and if you really enjoyed doing it, and if you feel that you can actually use some of these processes, some of these ideas in your administrative work also, then I will also request you to go ahead and do our elaborate innovation ambassador training program. We have done it for school teachers, but if any one of you are interested in doing this innovation ambassador training program, then we can open it for you also. And it is again a very, very comprehensive 52 hours kind of a program. And you can do it completely online, and it has 5 modules. One module is dedicated to design thinking. The other module is dedicated to IPR, intellectual property and so on and so forth. Then there is one module which talks about if you have an idea, if somebody comes with an idea, so how we can take it forward, how to identify TRL levels, that is technology readiness levels, and so on and so forth. So these are very important concepts which are there. Then there is one module which is related to finance and understanding basic jargons, like what is an angel investor, what is venture capitalist, what is pre-angel investment, what is incubation, what is pre-incubation, and so on and so forth. So this is the new jargon which is there. So how to understand that, so that when you see some good idea, you should know that whether it will go into a pre-incubation, or you should take it to an incubator, or you should take it to an accelerator, and what kind of seed funding, whether he will require a pre-angel funding or a seed funding or a Series A funding, Series B funding, and so on and so forth. So it will actually help you understand some of these processes. So this is the starting point. We would like to continue this initiative. Please let us know, because this is also for the first time we are doing with government officials. So we would like to actually have your feedback. And we are doing it in collaboration with Wadhwani Foundation. So Sunita ji is here, who is helping us in running this program. Also, we are getting huge support from NCRT as well as for Department of School Education. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairman AICT for actually guiding us in big way on day-to-day basis, supporting us. Then Dheeraj Sahu ji, who has been our real pillar at Ministry of Education, and all of you who have joined us today. So together we will make this program successful. Thank you very much. Really appreciate.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing the genesis of the program, and thank you for encouraging all the participants. We have Dr. Sujata from Wadhwani Foundation also joined, and we also have Dr. Preeti Meena from Department of School Education and Literacy, who leads PM Shri Schools. She has also joined. So welcome both of you also. Moving forward, we have our Additional Secretary, Shri Dheeraj Sahuji, who leads this initiative for Department of School Education and Literacy. I request Sahu sir to address the gathering, please.
Sorry.
Sahu sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Professor T.G. Sitaram, Chairman AICTE, Dr. Abhay Jere, Vice Chairman AICTE and Chief Innovation Officer, Ms. Preeti Meena, Director, Department of School Education, Ms. Sujata from Wadhwani Foundation, and my dear participants sitting in the 7 different locations in different parts of the country. It's indeed a pleasure talking to you all in this occasion of workshop, a new series of workshop which AICT and Innovation Cell has taken up. I thank AICT Wadhwani Foundation for taking up this initiative. This program has been conceptualized under PM Shri, and as you all know, PM Shri is a scheme of Government of India in which we are developing model schools under the National Education Policy. The policy basically, apart from its several multidimensional approach to education, it also emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and the spirit of innovation. I believe that this workshop is a good opportunity for our district level government officers in education sector to know more about this aspect of national education policy, which I just mentioned is about creativity, innovation, and critical thinking. During this 2-day workshop, I believe that these participants will benefit from the various discussions that happen here and also will give their feedback on further strengthening of the initiatives that Department of School Education has already taken in this regard. As you may be aware that Ministry of Education, Innovation Cell and AICTE have taken several initiatives in this direction, which include programs such as School Innovation Ambassador Training Program, School Innovation Council, Design Thinking and Skill Module, Kalam Program for IP Literacy and Awareness for Schools, National Policy for Promoting Innovations in Schools, and Boot Camp on Innovation, Design and Entrepreneurship. Many of these initiatives you must be already working in. My request to all the participants is to make the best use of this workshop, be inquisitive, ask as many questions as possible during the course of this workshop so as to enhance your understanding of these concepts and whet your ability to guide students and inspire them to innovate. Innovation in itself is not just about developing new products. It's also about thinking new ways of doing things. So it may be related to process, even like how one does business. One may think of a novel idea of doing the business. For example, if you take up the instant delivery concept that has come in the market, or aggregation of different services, aggregation services that we see nowadays, which have become a part and parcel of our life. It was unheard of, say, 10 years back. But now we realize that the components were already available in the market and we were using them in different separate parts. But through aggregation, the level of service, the satisfaction which the consumer of that service obtains has gone up much higher. So it's about innovation of process. So during this workshop, I believe that you will come across several new ideas as well as moments when you will realize that this thing is something which you already knew. It was deep inside your thoughts, but you had never basically turned your attention to those thoughts because you were busy doing something more routine, which we have been doing in our daily official responsibility as part of our daily work. So it's about not only about learning something new, but also about rediscovering ourselves. I'm happy that in the workshop, the organizers have also included the aspect of commercializing the innovation that we think of. That is an important part. Unless we do that, our exercise is fruitless. It's of no use to the society, and it will never become a sustainable model of doing what you set out to do. So those lessons will also be helpful for all the participants. And I'm also happy that in this workshop there is a component of actual visit to an incubation center. So this will actually show you what is the concept all about and how it has to be implemented. So I would wish you all the best and request you to give 100% of your attention to this training and go back as a renewed, more vibrant and more knowledgeable teacher, mentor, and official of the district, so that the children who are studying in our schools benefit and become competent to meet the challenges of the 21st century. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As you rightly mentioned, this is a very important milestone for NEP implementation because we have very unique participants today. We do not have teachers and students as participants today. We have diet members and we have district education officers as participants today. I think they will carry the flag of innovation and entrepreneurship in schools ahead. With this, we will go for inauguration of the program. I request IT team to present and I request Honorable Chairman and Honorable Vice Chairman to kindly inaugurate.
No. AS should do. Chairman and AS should do it. Sahu Saab and Chairman.
Yeah.
I request you to formally announce, sir.
Chairman sir and Sahu sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
with
So
your
we are all
permission, we
set
will go
to-
ahead and
Please go ahead.
Yeah, Abhayji, go ahead.
Click karo.
Thank you so much. We have with us Dr. T.G. Sitaram, Honorable Chairman AICT.
Cut क्यों हो रहा है?
And for all these kind of programs, wherever he is always there with us. And he always says that wherever I will join the program and I will definitely there. So, sir, really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being there with us and encouraging us. Request you to address the gathering, please. Honorable Chairman.
Thank you. सभी को नमस्कार. श्री धीरज साहू जी, एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन एंड लिटरेसी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन. Dr. Abhay Jere, Vice Chairman, AICTE, and all the AICTE colleagues who have assembled here, along with the school education and all the district education officers and also DIET members. I think this event, first of all, I'm very happy to inaugurate this jointly with the Additional Secretary and our Vice Chairman on the 2-day capacity building workshop on innovation, design and entrepreneurship for all the officers of the district education. So it's very important today because recently we have launched Buildathon, which has really attracted a very large number of students who are keen to participate. And we have seen through our school innovation and design thinking, other boot camps, large number of young children are very keen on building products, trying to understand innovation and create innovation. And in that process, I think for them, they need mentors. All of you are also should be upskilled to that level so that you are there to at least understand what those kids are doing, because today we are living in a very disruptive, technologically disruptive world, wherein all of us have to be ready. Many of us have to also upskill and reskill. And Yogesh was saying, sir wanted to attend this. No, I wanted to actually learn from these events what we can transform for the nation. So I'm very happy to be here today on the central online inauguration on the capacity building, and I'm happy to inaugurate this. So I'll also welcome all of you for this central online inauguration. But all of you know that it is happening in 3 phases. That today we have about 7 groups, and maybe tomorrow or on 6th and 7th of November, we have 8 locations, and 20th and 21st November, and 11 locations. So that totally makes 26 locations, which we're going to have in these 3 weeks. So this workshop is organized jointly by the Department of School Education and Literacy. So first of all, I would like to also thank our Honorable Minister for Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji, and also Secretary School Education, Sri Sanjay Kumarji, for letting us organize this along with school, because these are the input for our AICTE professional courses. So there we can actually inculcate the culture of innovation. So why this matters most for us at higher education is it builds entrepreneurial mindset very early when the kids are in the school itself. So thinking of solutions, not just answers. So that's the key part of it. And that's where you as district officers and DIET members to motivate the young people in the design thinking. Because what is design thinking? It is basically a human-centered approach to innovation, as that Jere was highlighting to you. See, many times your ideas may be good, but it may not be able to attracted by the people. So innovation is on understanding who are the users and how do you redefine based on that, redefine your problem to solve and create an effective solution. So this is where this culture is very important, friends. So I hope this today will be very useful to all of you, and all of you should seriously participate. And it's going to make a remarkable impact among students and teachers also. So you are, as an officer, if you understand this importance of this design thinking and entrepreneurial culture, how important it is for the nation, because our nation has to become a Vikasit Bharat. I think entrepreneurial culture is very important and it should start early. So now what we are looking at is for you, district education officer and DIET, you are playing a pivotal role in the education system. So you are not just the administrators, but you are the change makers or change agents, I call. You are responsible for mentoring teachers, enabling innovation in classrooms, and providing infrastructure and facilities in your schools, and also connect schools with regional engineering colleges and polytechnics and industries and innovation ecosystems like AICTE Idea Labs at 400 locations are there. You should take these students to our AICTE Idea Lab. AICTE is deeply committed to nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship across all levels of education. I congratulate my team, entire team who is working in this direction. So with Yogesh and many Ilongovan and many other people who are committed to put these seeds of innovation, and we strongly believe that if these seeds of innovation, if planted very early, and the education through the school education, our kids would become entrepreneurs. As you know, we are already the third largest startup capital of the world, but these startups have to also should be successful. So to make that successful, I think all your supports to the kids who would like to venture into this area is very much essential. So through this program, actually, in this 26 boot camp, 2-day boot camps, we will actually, a lot of eminent people who are going to train you, like from Wadhwani Foundation, from AICTE, from Ministry of Innovation Council, and also some of our design schools, okay, in the country are also going to teach you. Design experts and incubation leaders will mentor all of you, maybe about 1,500 totally. And what is important is we have covered the entire country. 25 states are participating in this, 2 union territories across these 26 nodal centers in the coming 3-phase activity. So the workshops also include hands-on exercises. So that means you are going to do something, then only you will start believing things that you can also participate. So it's a collaborative problem solving and exposure visits to incubation centers, offering participants an opportunity to experience how innovative ideas evolve into successful prototypes and startups. So I strongly believe that education officers can play a decisive role in ensuring that these experiences don't stop at this workshop. See, after this, you should go back and implement that. So you can facilitate actually district level innovation networks, encourage school innovation councils, and provide mentorship. Last, I would like to say our Honorable Prime Minister calls upon on Swadeshi movement. That means we need to build our products. So unless this culture is inculcated in our young people, youngest of the youngest, so this movement aligns closely, as many of my colleagues said, with the National Education Policy 2020 and also Swadeshi movement and Atmanirbharata. So which emphasizes actually creativity, flexibility, multidisciplinary learning, experiential learning, hands-on learning. So it encourages us to prepare learners not for just for jobs, but job creators. So anyway, I would like to thank again this Department of School Education and Literacy. It's a very, very important activity. And I thank them for supporting this and also all our AICT team. And I also thank Wadhwani Foundation for providing an expert speakers for this program at the several nodal centers of higher education for organizing and hosting the institutions which are hosting this also would like to thank. Thank you very much. And I wish the program a great success and all the very best. And I hope you will definitely enjoy this activity as it helps to create an innovation ecosystem, not only in your schools and in your neighborhood. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for motivating all the participants and all the team members here. And thank you so much for highlighting Swadeshi, the focus on Swadeshi also, which all of us are treading on the path of with new initiatives for Swadeshi and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So with this, I thank Honorable Chairman AICT for guiding us and encouraging us for conducting such initiatives. I also take this opportunity to thank Honorable Secretary School Education, Sri Sanjay Kumar sir, Honorable Additional Secretary Sri Dheeraj Sahu, Department of School Education, Dr. Preeti Meena ma'am. I also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Abhay Jere, Vice Chairman AICTE, to thank Wadhwani Foundation in a big way because Dr. Sujata is leading the trainers team and all the trainers are there at 7 locations today. And with their support, we are able to conduct this design thinking boot camps. So thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much for coming down. And last but not the least, I must take this opportunity to thank and express my gratitude and also appreciate Dr. Ilangon, who is the champion for our School Innovation Council. So, Dr. Ilangon, congratulations to you actually, and thank you so much. With this, I wish all the host institutes all the best, while I thank all of you for hosting our programs, for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship across schools also. So thank you so much and wish you all the best to all the trainers and all the participants. So with this, we close this program and we can proceed for the trainings ahead. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaskar.
Thank you.